Me da so TV now so Badwam Ahosepe Jumadi so. Me the Sandra or him the whole world. In fact, Ghana had G. I'm yet to know about what guys say me. Thank you. Also, I'm the guy's queen. Thank you. Akwaba young coach media so I couldn't tell the match space no. Make sure I know bit to board bomini and no bit to board a bomini or la pass market because of story be at me yeah. Obi to board bomini. I was seeing a brew, jebre. But near I have one. My mini can of once my bonus what. Bray can send be brain. But I have just 2 questions for a brand here. First boy when someone walk. So what's say on your bigger? I know charge 40K. Then why did you, as a events promoter, send your why did you invite the person? I'll open a 40 no. So I feel buy any penny no na person will be chase canon. And I feel artist managers so no. It's about time modini maybe to edumane ho because I was so part in Albert. I want church away. It's about time mo beti edumana sene de mo be because say Shatawale bi say Akodi bi Stone Boy bi Kelvin Boy bi ni asefo no air charge boom very understandable but wa bonyon baako ubeko show uhwihwia after 5 minutes the DJ repeat yes I can hear kwa Abraham o artist na ujira so so was artist managers no most mo de adwen etu dwumadie na mudi no ho na afi promoter wo so onye big ma wa me nko because wo wuchim no onye bigger eno ye wuchim what I say because e bia nipa no e wo se nipa bia wo hu ye te bia no hu no so ye very big it was bo bon sema no wa asem na kwa echi nyame adu ya bo wa din TV so but I'm yet to confirm from bullet sam pass the walking onu ye show bi na and our partner show bi na bullet is a very kind person but I'm yet to confirm so we hu that imponia ye be konsem no so me say atobo abomani me boa mama ntu for kakra wa pese o ye adwuma bi no de ye bia na ye ofe o se cha ne fe ne nkwan hwe ne nkwa pese o ye adwuma ni bia make sure say o de wa adwen ene wakoma be ma donation children's home bi ben wa fa ko che omo enkwala ni hia akoma no na fa wakoma mu hu be ye adwuma no because I mean with emotions and feelings be ma ubewu and some ya trabre me ne treta maje any to the extent obi atobo abom because of me say obi aro ne ho obi nkata ne ho obi aro ne ho nkata ne ho. Wow, how did you get here? Generation way is sickening. It's say obi aro ne ho nkata ne ho efutuo we unti bi da. Anyway, we're gonna na massage nti yan konsem so. Yeah, oh asem kra. I'm very okay but you know, obi o church e mo ayeni mo kra mo di atem kra mpo no. Ye mfi yo mo. Na mo amini mo a wanya data oti social so. Oho oba ya nyame abo mehwene. Pointed news to say me ho fe. Was oba tantan oba phone. I mean mo betimi a church social but girl na auto bobo mo la pass new market. My that partner sister say sa abaya na to bobo me mujai behwe me but abaya auto bo ne bo me no. Na me so mu a na me do call police station. E bia na nka ankoye bibi papa. And those hiding behind fake and ghost accounts, you know. We have people who can actually decode. You bet me home, but social. I'm going to say you have a fun and a big deal. Say me baby show and all that, but a one part of me show. Oh, everybody yankopon. Yanko Westgate asem so na mentwa de making so na Westgate one ma dwumadi you know. Krofo bebre. Wasa me kapre ko ho. Ale mentwa so e. Na no me ye story say abaye en shatade. Because we run home. Asem ni new. Almost one month bi da. Be hwe social. Mommy, ye di matemesi. But I don't see why I was say the mesh edwuma man 11 good years. The meshia any the me hu because of a story. Enye bi ne de mu ye yo. Meshia west. Me say obi de me call malam. Obi the gospel ni bi de me call malam. Sa na malam ne me fan. No the picture ne brem no say mama yes me nku am say hey because my story. It comes to the whole lot of things. Edwuma no. It is all a celebrity. I was so who say o piece on maybe is sold because we are celebrity, we are public figure. And besides, special man kwa trying to phone so on one post here. And it's ankwala ma me die. Oh wrong, and I mean I can someone shatade. Mon resi. Oh, until we are didn't quite tell me prefer the Matian style baby. beti ama na yefe nti no enya afi na me beja ika me ka kese kwa say mon shatade na mon focus on talent no aroro ho nye talent ti mon shatade but unfortunately say generation we no I don't know the modern ne de mu hu obi aro ne ho yes on shatade ye tunefo but how did we even get here ube who say girl you trendy and then your skates no on calibers fe but I don't know why now attention seeking akoye ororo ho se nipa kro maame amfre wa na ye ne fans na to bobo but yo you got to focus on the talent and I'll repeat it over and over and over again. Eya bi sound say den ma onye din we krom say a true talent any idea na we ye no ho e fan kofo di ni mu and a sisterly advise you to wear your dress shatade and if I'm home and I wig by sapo or wig sapo be can aka so the pay be feeding and cramming. Hey bra. Banging in the hair the hair is go back to your basics. Asa. In ye no need the old can wig and fell what time or bar phone and I want the old can and ye no need here bra. Me say one shatade is as simple as that. Okay, mammy paying the camera basing any mark I say I do free if you couldn't who know the channel no. Ukunu who I know I shall chew ukunu bad the bab on social means we are socializing. I can't say no. No. Omuni me. Baba ya na to bobo me boni mum de me yapa because femeni. E boni di. E me ya wo de bo me na mani frya ka be because my story. Anyway, mon shatade me kan de bia someone shall be decent because Ghana your culture. On whiskey issue no. In fact, Sembe Brina Baba must a bulldog I can't simbi. Bulldog chema artist, my how be I say Uncle Philip O2. But anyway, many aging because Babu can't sound from me, I know when because no be how be Uncle Philip O2. Was I ye push your mocha cry no be on their toes because shall it? Near Merco because whiskey lent me and Philip Stadium to bulldog chema. My higher artist, they say Obi Uncle Philip O2.
Whiskey has proven successfully that he can't fill the stadium. Nobody can't worry when an artist say make the go fill O2 arena. We too, they don't go feel here. Yeah. Make them no can't worry anybody. With the bag. Forget the O2 arena, Madison Square Garden.
Forget all.
Make the camp track, Sports Stadium. Then we can have a convo. You know, but that's on the lighter side. So I mean, and Otabil is still on our chat.
Yeah. Number one untouchable.
Yeah.
This is Hits.
Now that Whiskey has proven successfully that he can't fill the stadium. Nobody can't worry when an artist say make the go fill O2 arena.
And so I can send baby concerning Whiskey near charging it and your map paint will mean to not in some bar.
Forget the O2.
It is an American bulldog nkwana e can and sembi. In fact, I know don't swab can maybe near Whiskey the charge and a whole lot in Tino, Pachamadar Mamukutia and so ember.
This
no any or say performance fee $800,000. Travel allowance and it's $25,000 plus performance fee for supporting acts, venue, logistics, ticketing, promotion, marketing, Albert's lackluster. Then we'll be choosing something table for you. In fact, Monko kind or Arnold page on them, Monko kind on the page on them now. Monsha ni okai. Meaning say no can organizers no ho and I say okay Jumedi no ho. I don't really know, but your church or ebia or inside the bia or man fella there. It's all good into Monko kind or but life hub for now cause more organize this show no. omu chemu am say na Wizkid ka say we meeting dem bi ni ade ba omu so chemu omu hwia ne kan infu eh omu so omu hwia ne kan infu ose myth na say agenjene nipa chi mu asem de enima omu dwene omu say security was poor and that is why Wizkid chose not to perform but omu the fact no about so Wizkid and his team were given an additional 15 of bodyguards eh ohini ma 15 bodyguards and security personnel for their personal assured safety. 4 were attached to Wizkid specifically, and the other 11 were assigned to his team. Nigina kokain pa because in some people more has say that I'm asking most say mofa Ghanaian artists and mobile money 15 bodyguards there. So offer krumu ya money 15 there, and I Wizkid in tia, which are very understandable because level be ane there edeba. But me Stonebwoy ashaman to the world me who security be 100. Maha how many do be 50. Me who security be brave and in fact we are okokrampo no he left with about 10 bodyguards. Yes, you know I mean we can do it into mama ya na ye kan obi o ntimi fili Accra Sports Stadium no. Mo fa Sonny Badu. Ochemu a Accra Sports Stadium wa ye bida. Ngende broni hu bida ni snow. Inti Accra Sports Stadium was one of my most emotional concerts ever. It rained throughout the entire concert, but no one was willing to leave. The crowd pushed and took over the concert. One day we will break our own records again. Atlanta Get Readiness or the April. Sonny Badu. Show na me baby. Okay, last I check Accra. The oil was stadium being so toy. Never am I. Oh, okay. But I don't know. Even though I learned all the videos near they can't prove it yet. But Sports Stadium G, I'm yet to know. I'm yet to know. Because I know show where am I going? I know I find it 40,000, but I know me Kobe. Show me Kobe, but I don't know. Anyway, but I go block baby na ye baby o. Ana. We pan am quite ready ya. Means me kasa ngam nipa de bia wo ka asem bia ye nokre wadaro ma me pa cho. Means me kasa but I don't know. Even though the video aka ho but Accra Sports Stadium record no then 40,000 obi Ghana yes. Anyway, we can do it. Sorry programs I'm some mensa water bill na betimi afele. Guy afawa or ye wild cast or ye show or no pa betimi afele ho no kwa ma ayema pa. Hey papa de no ba ni ne ba Dagwood Mills. Why be? Hey Duncan Williams, Archbishop Duncan Williams. Why be that? It's no anyway, if you be cast a gospel ne secular, you know, but all the best to what person feel hodum bia. E be a bedroom, ye be show ni afele. But 40,000 is a whole lot. Inti a big issue. I was say why one should be an issue. It should rather motivate all of us. Say ye be ye and ye be ye. And Stonebwoy so good news. Abane say or perform 2022 FIFA Fan Festival. Was mobile sema aboy. It's a good news for us all. 13 December 2022. Stonebwoy to perform at 2022 FIFA Fan Festival. I'm seeing the video and so performing. But it's been a while I've seen the video. My name is Bebe But Aboy, Ghana is shooting behind you. All the very best. Kwana kose hono maye because yeta wachi. Ni na ye fight to say artists be beko you honom sa. Inti yeta wachi pen ye Aboy. Stay away. Stay away. Fake people, stay away. Just stay away. Yemen American. Yvonne Nelson. To Twitter. I don't know, but I said they are tropana ya wa who say no. Why you no be amounts as on a brabontina? These industry ladies keep approaching me trying to get into my business when they realize I can't pretend or fake like the whole industry does. They get mad. You want a plot of land, I hooked you. Okay. The chair will be passed as or the amano. It's no wow share your way beyond me patrol. I mama adwuma ne mame nya afi na me kwahwehwe comments one na me kwahwe de true shade de say adwuma ne se meja ye me den pen ye because wa na wa babontin now so abetro I got the land and what else na you say because in some doors to pay you know I can't really stress about nyema we say madaroma and yes I talk about people medu ahonfe patria you know I talk about people we say I talk about people I really wanted to reply comments ningina and because ohene you can entertainment news what you saying once a wo celebrating so won't say because what by be will be meka into one say entertainment news so what trends say na me am trend ma asem sha say what trends ni o ye celebrity wa bra bona nya o de abiem only public no na eche e na won pese bi ba mo nsam ya ka ho asema me too fa na no pay fato dem fato ahwe fa bo ho ba de to social ne so ohene when invite me make be too much it's me doing this Sister Sandy I'm the guyest queen.
Sandy. Where do you die? Oh, you guy. Sister Sandy be a guy.
I wish you make hospital aba.